So what is my book about? Well, this is how I see it. I imagine that I am sitting across from the person reading the book, and they are sitting there a little overwhelmed, maybe frazzled from just living their daily life because they're taking care of everyone else's needs. But I see this little sadness in their eyes because it's a little bit sad and a little bit excited because they are somehow have come up for a breath of air, and they realize that they want a connection to their purpose, and they want to feel more energized and joyful as they, wake up and get out of bed every morning. And I am there to tell them that it is not their fault that they have become so overwhelmed. It's just what happens in society today. It's conditioning, and it can even come from well-meaning loved ones. And that they can take their power back, and they can, cut through the clutter and get to the heart of what matters to them. And some of it is about, I'm sharing my experience and my stories and where I've tripped up, but I'm also sharing tools to help them get through it more easily and quickly than I did. And that's where, human design comes in. And some of it's about, clearing the clutter or the mind chatter so that they can make choices that are truly aligned for them and they're what they actually want to be doing. Or maybe it's about setting boundaries so that they have more energy to do what they love. Ultimately, it's about loving themselves and just realizing that they are doing the best thing for their kids if they are doing this for themselves, because they are becoming a role model for them. This book is not about parenting your kids, specific techniques for parenting your kids. It's about being who you really are, being true to yourself, so that you can show your kids that that's how they can live, and so that they don't have to grow up as conditioned as we have been. Even if it's 50% better, it's forward progress. And then they can feel like they're honored for who they are, and they're just going to spread that to those around them. And so, that's what my book is about. It's about me connecting with someone so that they know that they're not alone, and that there is a way through, and that it doesn't have to be hard. Actually, I want it to be more fun and joyful, and to even go through the process. And that's where I think human design can really help people be able to find their personalized way and the way that really works for them.